What matters is sentiment. That's the reason why TSM dropped. It's market sentiment. It's fear. And I just showed you all the extreme fear that's going on in the market right now. So
Yeah.
you're right.
So
If you're a long-term holder, you have to deal with drawdowns, unfortunately, and those can be scary times. But if you get shook out, you are out, and you solidified your loss, and you missed out on the future gains. So everything. Now, price matters. PE matters. So valuation matters, but price matters. So ServiceNow, a company that we had covered last week, and I'd mentioned some concerns about their valuation. You were telling me, oh, well, their valuation, it's okay, we can deal with it. Well, guess what? They got a downgrade from Guggenheim over their valuation, and then it just dropped on Friday, so it might be in line with Guggenheim's goal for the valuation. So in other words, Guggenheim's downgrade might have to be immediately reversed since the price just dropped to a lower valuation. SoundHound, we had covered SoundHound previously when it was up around $8-9 or something like that. And then Fitzgerald came out and Cantor Fitzgerald came out and downgraded SoundHound, which caused it to drop. We talked about the short report on that, caused it to drop. Well, guess what? Cantor Fitzgerald just came out and re-upgraded SoundHound because now it's at the valuation they want. So look, if you know a company is a good company, that price drop might be telling you now is a good time to enter. We don't know if this drawdown will go on for another 2 days, 3 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 months, 3 months. We don't know, but it's going to end. So you just need to keep that in mind. It might be better to start taking the opportunity rather than miss out on the entire opportunity and buy back way higher later. So that's the thing. Great companies don't suddenly become terrible companies just because market sentiment. We might have a next 3 days that are a little bit rough. You're right. We could go sideways or down further. But the reason I talked about all that inflation and stuff is because we really need a bad economy or a souring economy to go into a bear market. And we don't have that. We just don't have that. So in that case, when SMCI drops 23% for a reason that doesn't seem to be very reliable, or maybe even if you like Netflix, if that drops 10% for a reason that just has something to do with the way they're reporting rather than their true fundamentals, maybe this is an opportunity. And if you want to take the opportunity, the smart way to do it is not to buy all at once. It's to leg in because we don't know what tomorrow brings. If you look at statistics, technically no one really knows what the market is going to do tomorrow.